Good morning, cherubs. Good morning, Heather. Long time no talk. Welcome to my little corner of the world I call home. I literally haven't vlogged since May. The video I just posted, that was from May. So you guys have not seen me, my new face, my new nose, my new life. Life's crazy. Hi, husband. We're on our way to the gym. It's Wednesday and I haven't worked out yet. I've been just so disgustingly tired. Like, someone was like, that's how I felt when I was pregnant. I'm like, no, you don't understand. Like, that cannot happen, because if I become pregnant, I will die. Like, literally, me and the baby will die. So anyways, that was morbid. We're on our way to the gym this morning. I woke up, posted some content, cleaned a little bit, and we're on our way to the gym. We're also gonna go grab some groceries for the week. Just get a good, I wanna say start, but it's the middle of the week. Like, I'm a little late to the party, but it's never too late to have a good day or a good week. So we're gonna do that. My outfit, I'm feeling a little self-conscious, I'm not gonna lie, because the shorts are just, they've always been too tight, but yeah, they're tight, and for some reason I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get back, my shorts are gonna be loose. No, they're still tight. And I didn't have time to change. No one else's fault besides myself, because I knew this was what I was gonna do.
You did change.
No, I didn't.
You were wearing something else when
I wasn't gonna work out in that. That's to be around the house or do Pilates. Anyways, but here we are. Project Muscle Mommy is in full effect. Oh, we need to get protein powder at the store. Hey. Ooh, good job. So, fun fact, my husband and I play Bronco. So instead of like punch buggy, when you see a beetle, they don't really have them anymore. Like, they don't exist. We do it with Broncos because I'm trying to manifest a Bronco. So the more we bring it up to our like awareness, I feel like the faster it'll come. Anyways, let's get a workout in. Wow. And I totally forgot to mention that my camera is actually broken, and any other time I would use that as an excuse to not vlog. But I'm like, you know what? I actually love looking back at my vlogs because I'm a narcissistic piece of poo-poo. So I'm honestly doing it for myself more than anything. And I feel like I've been on top of it, you know, posting Instagram, TikTok, now YouTube, podcast. Like, I just feel like the more you do, the more you want to do. And so this is me wanting to do more. Anyways, okay, we're gonna work out. Love you, bye. We finished up. How are you feeling?
Tired.
I feel stupid for procrastinating. Like, I feel tired, but I feel good, and I could have felt this good Monday. I could have been tired, but at least like come to the gym and do a light workout, and it would have given me energy, and then I would have been motivated to come back the next day and slowly regain my energy. I feel good. I got a good sweat in. I washed my face off. If you guys have watched my TikTok where I've mentioned I always wash my face after I'm done, that way I don't get any unnecessary breakouts, because obviously you're touching equipment, you're touching your face, you're wiping the sweat, and then it sticks on there, especially if you're going to do errands after. You don't want to do that. But now we're headed to the grocery store to get some good food.
Impulse buys because I'm hungry. What'd you send it to?
feel like a lot of the times we don't end up finishing all these new things. Like, we just need to stick to the classics. I mean, get it?
Maybe it's good.
But also, like, what are you gonna eat that with?
That's a good point.
Yeah. I didn't do my little blood in a bun trick today, although it would have done me good. Because I just have sweaty string hair. Yeah. We've been doing a lot of protein shakes, so we need that. I'll let you get that. Slay. I'm trying to romanticize my life. Yeah, I'm trying to romanticize it so that I like it.
Kimade.
It is. Kimade. Should I try it? We love these, so good. I eat like 5 a day, which is problematic.
Do you want the chips?
Yes, please. Oh, finally.
Do you want these or these?
No, I'd like the more protein ones. I cannot wait to get the fuck out of Texas. Holy shit. Thank you so much.
Oh.
Got that. Holy shit. This heat will put anyone in a bad mood, please. The fact that it's 75. So I picked up a book. I am finally getting on the Coho bandwagon. Last time I came, I picked up another book. It was the Summer I Turned Pretty series, but I didn't know that that was the last of the series. So now I have to go and order it because they don't have it here at Sam's. But I was like, okay, let's just pick up a nice little light read to read by the pool or whatever, the lake. Although honestly, it's so unbearably hot that even going to the pool or the lake sounds miserable. Anyways, I'm starving. I'm gonna pound some Quest chips. Alright, we're back and it's time for a little grocery haul. We got some ciabatta buns. Ooh, I'm so excited for these. Peaches. Oh my god. We got this huge bag of romaine. I love romaine over any other lettuce. And when I make a salad, I'll usually use one entire head. So I go through this pretty quick when I get obsessed with salads. My husband got these little lunch wraps. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know I'm obsessed with my green smoothies. I use a cucumber. I also use these for snacks all the time with limon and tajin and salt, even if I don't use tajin. But I've been on a quesadilla kick, so I got the carb balance ones. They're also smaller, so I'll use 2. And it's so good with jalapenos, and sour cream. We go through cheese a lot. I'll have it on my eggs, quesadillas, on my salad. Literally, I put it on everything. We actually got a 6-pound bag last time we went to Sam's, and we used it up. 5 pounds? 5 pounds. It took us 2 weeks to go through it. Sour cream. We also got Greek yogurt. We'll use this for parfaits. I have been using it more in smoothies currently. Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. I'm vegetarian, but I might steal one and peel the bacon off. Steven got himself some Angus beef. I got frozen strawberries for my smoothie. Big old can of jalapenos. As I said, I go through these obsessive streaks. I've been adding jalapenos to everything. I ran through 2 cans in like 1 week, so. Almond milk. I love putting almond milk in my smoothies, and coffee. I'm a bevy bitch, okay? And I love drinking poppy, kombucha, coffee, matcha. And then for a little protein snack, I got these Built Bars, some protein shakes. These, they're like healthy, natural fruit pops. But that's our grocery haul. Nothing super crazy and fun. I feel like when you go to a bulk store like Costco or Sam's, it's safe to just stick to the basics, because when you start getting all the fun food, I feel like you don't end up eating, at least personally for me, I don't end up eating it all, and then I feel like it's just a waste. So if we're in the mood for like a snack, we'll go to the gas station or the store. But yeah, so that's our little haul. Alrighty. Let's make a little post-workout smoothie. I don't have any protein. We weren't able to find a protein powder that we want to try at Sam's Club. So I'm just gonna make it without the protein, but it's still really yummy. I use frozen strawberries. I don't really measure anything. It's just kind of eyeballing it. Because I have like a single serve cup, it's kind of easier to replicate. Like one handful, what is that? 8 ounces. I do about 2 heaping spoonfuls, I'm not even gonna say tablespoons, of Greek yogurt. Damn, we should have got peanut butter. I also do a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. Also some honey. Usually the protein powder gives it some sweetness, so I don't always add honey, but don't have any, so we're gonna add that. And some almond milk. We got this between grocery shops at Sam's, so I'm just gonna finish using this one. And then I'll add the top. You can also add veggies to this. I don't currently have any greens, but just depending on my mood, I'll add greens. It just makes it look ugly, but it doesn't taste bad or anything. And I love the Ninja because you can literally just take the lid off. Add a straw, and you're good to go. Definitely not as much protein in here without the protein powder, but it's still a pretty good smoothie. I just need something because I'm so tired. Like, I just need to sit down, but I don't want to sit down without eating, but I don't want to stay up and cook. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just perfect. Okay, I'm gonna chill out for a sec. I am making my dinner. It's about 7 o'clock. Steven is at his class. He takes jujitsu, that's his hobby. I take Pilates, that's my hobby. And I love that we have our interests that are our own. But he's like, oh, I want you to try jujitsu, and I want him to try Pilates and Legree and boxing and all these things that I'm like trying out. But I wanted to talk about how I'm feeling. Besides the fact that I've been tired this week, I'm like, I don't even know how to put it sometimes. So recently, I'm only going to tell, well, I can't even say what is going on, and I hate when influencers do that. I'm putting in some soy rizo into my chopped lettuce. But recently, I'm going through something. It's not anything terrible. It's just like a life change and adjustment that I'm very excited for, but it's very scary. And I know that it's going to be good for me, but it's just scary to take the leap and trust that everything will go well. I know ultimately this is where I'm meant to be. I've already manifested and asked for signs from the universe, and literally, I kid you not, after one day of writing it in my journal, I was like, okay, if this is meant to be, if this is on its way to me, the universe will send me this sign. And the next morning, that sign showed up, and I can't wait. When everything is said and done, I can share with you guys like that side of it, like the trusting, the manifesting, and what I saw. But hold on, let me get the sour cream. I'm excited. I feel restless. I'm just like ready for this new chapter. But it's hard to let go, right? Like my whole life, everything is kind of whatever you take it to be. So my whole life I've taken the sign that people have failed me as a sign to know that I can't trust anyone to do anything right. And if I want things done right, I need to do it my way. And at least if it fails and I did it on my own terms, then at least I know I did my best. I think I'm realizing now that maybe all this time it hasn't been that I need to put up my guard. It's maybe people will only continue to fail me with that mentality, and I just need to let go and take my walls down, let other people have, I don't know if this is all making sense, but maybe you're going through something similar where you just have to let go. And I feel like I'm just clenching my fucking ass so tight. Like, I don't want to let go. It's so scary. But you just have to open up. And when you do that, the blessings will come in. And I should know this. I've already been through this before where I went over it in my podcast episode, but when I cut ties with my toxic family and I just let go and I was like, I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen, but I guess I'm gonna take it literally day by day. Everybody just started flooding in with love and support, and things were being handled for me, and things were being orchestrated behind the scenes that I couldn't even imagine, right? So that's how I'm feeling. It almost makes me want to cry how excited and happy I am to let go and just see where this journey takes me, but it is scary. And maybe I have felt so drained because in my mind it's always been like this mental tug of war and this exhaustion of always having control and having to have control in my life. Maybe I just need to let that fucking go, you know? Okay, this is my little salad. It's stunning sour cream, cheese, chorizo, lettuce. I would put jalapenos, but I'm about to eat this right now. And I'm just gonna get cozy for the day and edit this video. Thank you guys so much for your support. I feel like for you guys, it is maybe, like, you guys are maybe numb to the thank yous and the I appreciate you and my life wouldn't be the same without you, but literally, you guys are so powerful. Like, you change people's lives on the daily by supporting them, even by sending them a sweet comment, a sweet message. Like, every day I am so grateful for all the girls that I get to connect with and share blessings with, because you guys feel blessed by me, I feel blessed by you, I feel the love and support by you, and you guys feel the same with me, and it's just such a beautiful little community we've built, and I'm just so happy and thankful. And I don't want to be emotional ever. It's Cancer season. I think that's all it is. Like, I just want you guys to feel the love that I feel from you guys, and I hope that comes across in these videos. Like, there's literally not enough thank yous I could ever give you guys in the world, ever, for how blessed I am to have you guys in my life. And I love you, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful, blessed summer. And I guess I will see you next week, because I'm a consistent queen. Not me uploading twice a week on YouTube. Who would have thought? Who would have literally thought? If you haven't already, go check out my podcast. I mean, I'm sure you have. It's on YouTube. Like, go click on the video before this one. If you want to support, check out the CHERUB merch. And yeah, I love you. And I'll see you next time. Bye!